Hello everyone! It's us again!
It's me, Joy,
Lizzie,
and Hope.
and to all the girls in the world,
Happy Women's Day! Okay na to, guys. Ikaw, did you miss us, Char? Did you miss us?
comment down below, Char.
Comment down below.
Comment down, okay.
So this video is dedicated for all the women
women
in the world. Our mom and our grandmother,
Mama, our daughter, our sisters,
our baby girls.
and our sisters in the community.
Yes, our titos, our titas.
Our tiras, yeah. So I think this is our second episode of our coffee series. Coffee series, hindi. Kapihan series. Diba?
Cafe.
Cafe.
We are now at Bensi Cafe.
Cafe. There is
Guys, this
yes,
place is a cozy.
Okay, so what do you have? Me first. I have quick I think it's a mango pineapple na ginawa nilang freeze nila ba? And how about you, Lizzie?
It's now the milk coffee.
Yes, and same because it's buy one take one.
Yeah, but
Not the same, is it?
but the cup is not designed.
I'm not sure.
Oh, I think we're not the same.
Yeah, but we bought it for buy one take one.
That's a good deal.
Yeah,
But for me, I think it's not a good deal because they finished it already. Wala pa na akong mag-aabot ila hahapit na mahurot ako. Ayan. So,
Okay, so let's start our pod vlog. And for our first question, ta-da-da-ta-da. So since this video is for all the women in the world, so how about you, Lizzie and Joy? What are the things that you've been grateful for as a woman?
should I start? Oh, yeah. I will surely start. Yeah, what I'm grateful for is that growing up, I never felt I never felt less of a woman. Yeah, I think the good thing is the environment that we grow up ato before kay wala nila gipa-feel na kanang there's inequality between men and women. Although makita lang gid nato sa tong surroundings, pero wala siya naging murag hindrance ako aba nga ma-feel nako nga low or lahi ko because I am a woman. Yeah. And also, I am grateful that I am a woman because I had my baby Shay. Yes, yep. Having her is one of the greatest gifts I'd ever had. Na, diba, imagine sa una, dili jud ta magkuan, di jud ta ganang makaanak, pero pag nanatay anak, it's a wonderful gift. That's it. How about you, Lizzie?
Naglung pa.
Okay,
Pero interview nila.
Okay. Grateful ko kay Kuan. Tagalog ka? Oh, okay. Naghang language da ini. So, as Bisaya, as bisdak nga babae, kay wala man ko nakapil ko dyan last thing with you. And then,
Because you grow up in the same household.
yes, same area. And then, siguro sa part nga naging mas grateful ko is ang pag trip as Disney princess. As a Disney princess sa mga treatment, syempre sa mga pas nga
Shampoo.
Char. With your eyes.
Ikaw lang may na-exist
Yeah, no, I'm not talking about just being in a relationship or being a romantic relationship. But I'm talking being daughter pod. Sure. As a daughter. Pero si Cinderella, di ba? Kay dili man to siya love siya ang stepmother. Wabo ta ko by the way na pugay ko siya. To make it short, so ikat ni mo, okay.
Sino na ako masyado?
This is princess lagi nga treatment, okay?
So you feel that you are Cinderella?
Oh my God, yeah. Sige, kanina, so good na sa answer. So, I'm so grateful for being a woman. Char, English. Okay, kay having a Disney princess treatment. Wow. No, I'm not talking about being a relationship, but siguro sa laing na part, sa family, and sa kong friends. So, nice pa siya na. Siguro wala kay ko na experience nga maot as a babayi, mo nakaingon ko ginani sa ko ang self ha. And that's why nga, marag, so, grateful ko, dahil man good jud pud ang part na lalaki good kay mas ma-effort jud ang lalaki. Even sa balay or sa or sa trabaho, lahi agad sila good. So, ako po, as babae, grateful na po ko nga. Siguro mo ako gihatag dyan ni Lord nga babae ko. Mo nang grateful dyan ko. Or, siguro kay grateful man dyan ko sa tanang butang no. Lisod ka ay siya,
Kaya nakailang grateful ka.
Oh, gani, di ba? Hoy, lisod ka siya do. Oh, lisod ka ayo mangita og kaan dili ko grateful kay murag dili man ako man gud ang tipo nga. As long as kayo na ko inga kanang dawaton na siya as a blessing good bisan pag sakitan ko or dili kay siya nindot grateful man gud jud ko nga term akong gihuna or gi-mindset na ko sa akong mind. So mo na wala kay kumaingon na negative as ano kung naging women mura pa to siya.
You're saying that you are grateful because you as a woman, you can accept whatever it is that you are like experiencing, like on sa imong mindset. Yeah. So you have
Yes,
a
strong
great
woman.
mindset as a woman.
So that's something you can be grateful.
Yeah, and that's why it's really hard to say negative being women. Motto. So, Ate Ho, it's your turn.
Dapat ako i-side comment pero dili na lang.
Sige, go!
Kasi, katog, we've been talking about some guy who wants to be a woman. So I was about to say, maybe that's also one of the reasons why some of them really want to become a woman. Yeah.
Why? Because they wanted to experience something like how we experience.
Or being a Disney princess, being loved, being cared.
Yes.
So yeah. So mo to siya. For me, what I am grateful for being a woman. Maybe it's because for me as a woman, I have 3 brothers, older brothers, and I feel like growing up I'm in a battlefield. Battlefield sa sulod, but if dako sa gawas they are overprotective. So I want to go out from the cage. So one sa ako ang ani abot ko Vietnam. But I have that mindset that I go mo explore lala. But again, what I am grateful for as a woman despite of somehow it's hard to be a girl or to be a woman. We have our period. We need to be cared.
Yeah, and
To be protected.
other people's expectation to us to do that
Yeah.
things like boys.
It's hard, but at the same time I feel like I'm grateful as a woman because of my heart. Because I mean, as a woman we have a soft heart.
Yeah, maybe some boys have a soft part too, but mostly the babae yun ang
Okay. So that's what we are grateful for as the women. And for the next question, so it's gonna be from me. You as a woman, when it comes to don't dig into relationship, okay? I just wanted to know you as a woman. Unsa ka nga type sa isa ka relationship? Are you the dominant type or are you the what is it called? Submissive type?
Pero hindi mo big sa relationship.
Pero ikaw lang as a woman. Don't talk about the partner. In general lang, how do you handle the relationship? Are you the dominant one or submissive?
You first.
Me? That's my question.
Okay, wait first. Me, since as I said earlier, I grew up with 3 brothers. I think I grow up to become not a Disney princess but a Disney warrior. So most of the time, I can say na I'm the dominant one. Yeah, I am the dominant one, and then that's why I at the same time kina-treasure kay nako tong mga tao nga makapatame sa ako.
Okay, that made sense. Kaya na kay medyo a little bit strong personality. So it makes sense, Jud, that you're a bit dominant.
Okay.
Hindi ako na last.
Okay.
Me, actually, I can be both. Like, I can be both. But usually, if that person is something I can be dominant, but not the negative way, ha. But if I can handle it the way like kanang balance lang bitaw. Yeah. Okay lang pud nga dominant siya o submissive ko or submissive siya ako diba? As much as possible kanang ko lang
to try to balance
we try to balance the relationship. And as a woman, kailangan hunahunaan jud nimo nga kailangan imagine mga situation nga dapat ikaw ang dominant and ikaw ako ang submissive.
Yeah. I remember before, gamay pa lang ginan ako sa akong papa nga, if I'm going to get married, I should follow my husband. So, nakita sa akong papa, even before nga, isugyod ko. Kasi ako yung strong personality somehow. What is siya?
Okay. Guys, ako copy-paste.
The other side?
Di ba? Okay na rin. Nanatagin ka man.
Okay na to.
Pinawag ko kay Wala, same siya kung sa ang partner, depende rin gito siya. Kaya kung ang imong partner ko, nag-start mo without the issue, so, ang unsa nga personality, continue dito siya. So, ma-change lang ang tayo. If na dira na amabot sa amang mga pagbago sa inyong relationship. So, dira na pagbago, for ikaw. Pero ako dyan mo, so nga, kung ano ka? Cute feet. Cute sila. Ano lang, for understanding ko kay ko, ano bitaw, ma-change lang ko kung
So, what do we call that kind of person who's dominant or submissive? We should talk about like in the middle. Moderate.
Moderate. Kaya kung na-introvert, extrovert, ambivert.
Yeah, just in the middle. So, yeah, but you're the cutesy and clingy type.
yes, of course, I am. Unless,
I want to.
clingy and like, yeah, wala ni pag-awayan ever, wala issues pa. Sure. Pero kay mabot naman ng mga issue ng wala.
In general man, ako sa family, sa mga pagkakit ka,
Hindi
ba
maging relationship pero nag-date man gusto mo mabot relationship.
Relationship na, pero ayaw siya naman.
In
general siya mga, not sa relationship, but not talk about him mostly.
Pero
About you as a person lang.
pero ni anang kagaling nga kung yung partner is kuan siya, huwag ka. So,
Pero I do say naman ang kuan lang siya doon at siya. I think ka naman kay balance man.
balance.
siguro po, 200 na lang.
Even in friendships, diba? Dapat, even sa relationship na ng family, di pwede ka kita lang ang masunod, kusunod sa kita. Di lang kita ang plano, maminaw sa kasailaan.
Yes, maganda po ka.
Makaramdam ko sa kasi nag-away mo na.
Okay.
Okay guys. Oh, your question.
Yes,
Wala
better.
ko na ano sa women.
Our experiences na lang.
Kasi hindi siya na mag-relationship sa work naman.
Okay.
So, as a kuan, kailangan working sa workplace niyo, sa ina feeling niyo, mas nice ba mag-lead ang lalaki or ang babae?
Sa akong workplace, kaya wala yung lalaki man. Sa babae, kasi, even before. Okay. Before, when, basta, hindi lang ako isolate. Makita na ko that lagi advantage, weakness and strength ang babae and at the same time ang mga lalaki sad. So, when it comes to leading, lalaki good for me. But when it comes to planning, babae, babae more on specific things. Pero if karang bigger picture lalaki siya, for me, what siya ako
How ka nakapag-lalaki?
Like example, like in planning events.
Like parang you already nalagay ko para sa inyo mga basta yung good then
Yeah. Not really to but just to lead. Yeah, lead.
The planning.
Planning of
Both
events.
can manage, right?
Yeah, both can manage.
But one can only
And
one can
I was also told before that I need to trust the men or the brothers. yeah. Actually, sa community to siya na dapat dili na ko ano nga kaya na ko tanan. Dapat because it's not just about trusting them but also allowing them to grow.
Siguro, I also agree with you guys. Ilana just like, to make it balanced, you have to trust them too, and they should trust us too. Maybe the mostly, sila like, masalig-salig. Salig No, I don't know if it makes sense. Pero, siguro, wala pa gusto na pa-try, kayo na.
Sama sa work.
Meron na. Pero murang masagay ba ito lalaki ang magiging ng plan. I think kita mo makakuha yung ayaw tayo sa plan. Pero
Like they can also plan but kanang dili siya hanay. So as girls we need to support their plan na ihanay siya.
so we need to support men.
Yeah. Again, like as girls, we need to allow men as well to grow sad. So, what siya ang ending sa women empowerment also is about respecting men.
Oh, that's nice.
So, hindi siya makalimutan nga. Even nag-celebrate as a Women's Day, dahil gyapon, mapabot sa gyapon nga, ma-part dyan ang lalaki.
Yeah.
Part of our lives are men. But that doesn't mean that.
As we empowered ourselves, let us not disrespect men.
But it doesn't mean how na mamuhi ka.
Dili ka mo wala sila.
But what
It is just better.
Like must should be covered with them. Okay, because we are we are created here in this world, lalaki and white, men and women. And multiply.
Amen, amen.
Wala Men's Day. Happy Men's Day.
Wala. I think wala kay natawat ang history kay di ba sila mga bilang superior so basta gibuhat din siya nga tay para i-uplift sa mga women.
Yes, because mula sa una, ang men always nagiging na nila basketball.
Yes.
So, actually, kaya nga, no, everyday man ko, pinagbitok ko, maayon ang lalaki. Pero kanina day, mas ma-remind ng mga lalaki nga, ang babae, i-check ko siya. Knowing ang mga babae, grabe mag-care. Diba? So, mura, hindi nga tayo makabawi ang mga lalaki ko. Remind them, kasi dyan, kailangan dyan i-remind ang mga lalaki. Unlike na po, yung nature na, grabe kalababo, dagan pa kay tagipang katian sa babae, diba? Every day, mag-suffer, or every month, natay ko, batikon, anak, ikot, anak, yes. So, parang kami, as a reminder sa mga lalaki, women na deserve,
We deserve to be not validated, but treated well.
yeah.
And we're so lucky kayo. Dapat ka mo panganak sa place.
Yes.
That's just I mean,
True.
recognize the women. Like, nakapagod mga Filipino sa kalimutan.
Yes. Okay ko yes.
Created, right?
Yeah.
We're still praying for all the leaders.
Yeah.
Sana maranasan din nila ba yung tatong naranasan nila.
Yeah.
Here, na nakakay freedom.
I agree. Very true. Okay.
So that's it, guys. That's our short talk for this week.
Yes. But in fairness, kaya nagka-deep na kahit
Yeah. Next time, we're not my idea. So wait for that. Yeah, but anyway, again, happy
Women's Day!
and I hope to see you around. Please like, share our videos and react to it.
Yes. Yes, please comment, guys. Goodbye. It's me, Hope.
Lizzie and Joy.
See you to our next vlog. Bye-bye.